Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space, and based on request, making this video to put you through how you can claim your tone drifts. I think the as we thought it's going to be that people that didn't participate in the public sale or pre-sale will not be able to claim instantly, but I think they gave an 8 hours difference to those that participate in the sale and the airdroppers. So I think before it was more or less like a difference of like 20 days thereabout, but I think maybe they changed their mind or something. So, all right, guys, let's get started. So, we want to claim our tone drips. So, let me try and show you how I did mine. So, you can think if it's a wise option for you to also get to claim yours. Okay, so now I'm in the bot already. So, let me click on claim drips. So, it's loading already. Let's see what's going to show. Okay, so until I claim, I cannot say exactly what I'll be having. So you should not see this and be rejoicing already until you claim it. So you don't really know what you're going to claim. And as that's what I have, I think I have around like 30 million points. So now let's see what I'm going to get right now. So let me click on claim airdrop. So click on claim airdrop. Mind you, for any transaction you're making on a decentralized platform, you will need a gas fee. So it's not free of charge. It is only while you are trading on centralized exchanges that you don't need a gas fee for your trading. Do you get it? But if you are sending out, definitely you are going to pay a fee. Do you get that? So for every transaction you are making on a decentralized platform, you are going to make a gas fee payment, and that you cannot bypass. Do you get that? So now let's get started. Let's see how much I'll be charged for me to claim my tone drips. All right, so I'm going to click on claim airdrop. So it's taking me to the wallet I connected to Tone Drip, which is my Telegram wallet, and this is the amount I'll be needing to actually pay. As I've said, you need to have this 0.17 ton on your wallet, in your wallet, before you can claim this token. Do you get that? So if you don't have it, you have to make purchase from either the centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, BitGet, Gate.io, and have it sent to your wallet. Do you get that? The wallet you connected to it. And after that, or you can also make purchases from your friends, colleagues, or people that are into peer-to-peer transactions to make it much more easier for you, because you cannot buy anything less than $5 on Bybit, or you cannot trade anything less than that. And also, if you are sending out, you cannot send anything less than 0.2 from Bybit. Do you get that? So now let me just confirm and see what my final allocation is going to be. So I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to click confirm. So back to Tone Drips. So now let's wait for a few time to have it drop. Mind you, don't do it twice. If you do it twice, you are going to pay double charges, and you are only going to get it once. So I don't know if your funds will be returned to you. So if I click on it again, I'll claim drips, it will still come back again showing me. And also you can see my transaction is going on already. If I click on claim airdrop again, what will happen? I will pay the same thing again, and mind you, you just wasted your money. Do you get it? So don't claim it twice. Do you get it? So just to actually confirm that to you, so you should have it in your wallet already if it has dropped. So let me check more assets to see if I have it already. So it hasn't dropped yet, so let's wait for it to drop. So you can see I've been charged already 0.17 ton. Do you get it? So now I'm going to wait for the token to drop in my wallet, so that I can know that what I have claimed and what it's the exact worth in the market. Do you get that? All right, so I'm going to pause this video now till it drops. Yeah, so guys, I've been waiting for the past over almost 6 hours right now since I claimed the token, until now the token has not yet dropped. So I want to be quick to call it a scam, or whether it's not legit, whether it's legit or a scam yet, because actually the first set of people that were able to claim, some of them got their tokens in their wallet. So and ever since, people have started claiming since I think yesterday afternoon. I think lots of people have not been able to receive their tokens. Do you get that? So if I check my history right now, this was my transaction yesterday, 0.17 ton, and now I am yet to receive it. So now I want to just explore some other aspects for us to actually check to see the details about these claiming of a thing, because you should not waste your turn if others are claiming and they are not getting their tokens, then why should you also spend your token? So wait for others to receive it is if it is definitely going to be true. But if it's not going to be true, then it saves you your gas fee. Do you get that? All right. So if you check their, let's see what people have been saying on their Twitter. So let's click on their last post. Definitely there will be people raising their complaints there. So let's click on the last post, that pinned post. Let's see what people has been saying. So you can see complaints. I was charged for gas, but the coins didn't arrive. So you can see lots of complaints on that. So I think, and some people did it twice, three times. So they wasted their gas fee. So that's why I'm saying that just once is okay. But if you've not yet claimed, just hold and keep your gas fee to yourself. Do you get that? So it's better you did not claim and you didn't receive than you claiming and you did not receive. Do you get that? So that is why I'm making this video. So until they come out to actually address this issue, I think you should keep your coins, you should keep your gas fee to yourself. So you can see lots of issues, lots of complaints. So some might receive, just like this guy saying he received is ready, but never. It's just one person I've seen here. There have been a lot of complaints here and there. So, and you can also see that they are also farming ton. So I'm going to go and check this balance right now. You can see it's 79 ton here right now. I will check it and show that to you. So and let's see. So if you want to know whether it's going, go and search for tone drips on Twitter, see what you have there, so you can know whether I should proceed or not, because I might not do another video on this issue again. Okay, so now let's check Telegram. Okay, so this is a Telegram discussion group, their Telegram channel, and you can see the last post was yesterday 11:57 a.m. Do you get that? So that means they've already locked the group. People cannot drop in comments and lots like that. So we cannot say the project actually met a dead end or it was a rug pull. But for a project to be this silent, it shows possibly they've rug pull or they are back to their drawing board to see how well they can resolve this issue. Do you get that? So it could be that those people that bought in large quantities actually so if you look at their posts, you can see there's been a lot of issues, although some were able to get theirs, but a higher percentage of people didn't get it. So I'm going to advise that you should keep your token. Do you get that? So keep your gas fee to yourself until they come out to address this issue. So, and also maybe if I'm able to receive my claim too, I can put it in the comments so that people can also get to see that they can claim. Do you get that? So I think lastly, I said we saw something on their Twitter page, which I would like to confirm for us. Yeah, so now you can see this now. Balance. That was the tone that they've accumulated as at this time that this person posted it. And you can see this person posting the biggest scam. So now let's confirm what is really happening. So now I'm going to go to my tone keeper to actually trace my transaction hash, my transaction details, to see what we have there right now. Possibly they've removed it, they've rubbed it, they've withdrawn it. Let's see how it is. So now I'm going to go back to my tone keeper. Okay, so this is my tone keeper. Now I'm going to click on this transaction. So once I click on the transaction here, so we're going to get to see this. So now I'm going to click here because this is my wallet, so it came from here to here. So I'm going to click here. So as I click here, I want to see what we have left. So you can see right now the balance is now 171. I checked it this morning, it was around 83. So that means they keep on removing the balance that actually keep coming in. Do you get that? Because ordinarily, if you want to make run a transaction on tone space or normal tone keeper, I think the gas is usually like maybe 0.09, 0.08 kind of tone for transaction. But now in this case, you are spending 0.17 to claim. So definitely they might be receiving a part of it for you to have increased to that amount. So, but it might be a subtle way of taking money from the community to support the project, but we never can tell until people who have already spent their token gas fee and received the token in their wallet, until they are able to get that and they are able to swap, then I can say that the token would definitely turn out to be a scam. Do you get that? So just keep your token or your gas with yourself. But if you have more than enough to try, why not? You can go on to try. All right, I'm going to be ending this video right now. So it's left for you to actually reach a decision whether you want to burn your token, your gas fee, or not, or you want to continue following the updates on their Telegram and their Twitter profile to see how the things turn out to be. All right, guys, this is FinTech Space with Timbies. Until another time, bye for now.